Hello and welcome everybody for another update. Have I had 5 trade last week, which is here. I had some from Friday. I made 63 pips on that one, and obviously it's made 40 pips. I adjusted the stop loss, so it stopped me out with 63 pips of profit, and it started to continue going down, so I got back in as short and this go down to 40 pips. I had 40 pips on the position, so I adjusted the stop loss. I locked in 20 pips of profit, and this came back up and stopped me out. And on Wednesday I had an appointment in the hospital, so I missed this trade. I forgot to put a buy stop in, so I got in a bit later when I got back, and it stopped me out with 9 pips. And then it started to going down, so I shorted it. I thought it's gonna make new lows here. Anyway, on Thursday it's made a new low there from that point, and it started to come back up, stopped me out with 20 pips, and then I got back in here as long, and it's almost made 80 pips here. And this is what I didn't follow my rules, because it wasn't 80 pips on my position. It was just 70 or 75, and I adjusted the stop loss to 60 pips, and I shouldn't have done that, so I missed out on 20 pips basically, and they started to continue going up, so I got back in there, and now I have on that position I have 38 pips. So I adjusted to a stop loss. I have 23 pips locked in, so if it's continue going up, it would be nice. If it's come back down, I will stop out with 23 pips profit. For the week, I adjusted January 8th, so this is a profits this for this week, 8.96. Now I didn't have 3,500 or 3,400 on this account, because the rest I had about 500 on this account, because I was trading at a different site, a different account, because I was doing a trading competition. So basically I have to trade, or I had to trade with 1,000 units on this account, but the most, if I had all this capital on this account, my maximum position size could have been 35,000, 34,000. So basically this £8.96, this profit, if I was going with the full position size, 8.96 times 35, it would be 313 profit for this week, which is not bad really. I mean, I have more accounts as well, but I don't want to increase when I transacted the money into this account, because that competition is finished. I didn't want to go in with the full position size, because the equity line, it would look bad, especially if I was losing that month. So I decided I'm gonna increase the position sizes slowly as I go along. But if you look at the from September, because this is when I took the money, or withdrawn the money and started the competition. So this is when I decreased the position size. It was a 15. So it's 4 months, about 4 months, I had £44.52 profit from September. And if I had all that money in there, I would have had times £44.52, so times 35. I would have had, in 4 months, I would have had 1,558.20 profit. So it's quite annoying, because that's a good, that's much better money than £44, isn't it? But I had other accounts where I was trading, so it's not the end of the world, but it's £1,558. That's much better. So this is how it is. If you like the video, subscribe and like it, because obviously I'm gonna do videos about my trading, and you can learn and you can find out how I trade. So see you next time.